Hi friends, welcome back to my channel Simple Learning Tips. So in today's video we'll be discussing the topic what is Workday HCM and also future of HR tech I'm explaining in this video. Okay, HCM means it is human capital management. So I've given a simple explanation over here. Basically Workday HCM means it is a cloud based HR software system. Okay, and it is designed in such a way that it can manage the entire employee life cycle, that is starting from the recruitment to retirement in a single platform. Okay, instead of using multiple software tools like for your recruitment, for your payroll, for employment, maintaining employee records, data, every training, everything, Workday software, cloud software, what it does is that it brings all the programs, all the, like I said, all the life cycle of an employee under one roof, and it is accessible from anywhere, even mobile phones also. So global companies like Amazon, Accenture, Netflix and Cognizant, they all use Workday HCM software. Now what are the core modules of Workday HCM? So core HR and employee data. That is, it stores employee details, it manages the job roles, job description, specification, job analysis, and it also provides organization structure, everything. So whatever is related to employee, core HR and employee data. Then it helps in next is recruitment and onboarding. So it automates your job postings, applicant tracking and hiring workflows. So it handles everything. Next one, talent and performance management. That is it sets goals for the employees, track their performance reviews, and also watch out for their career development plans. So all these things it does. Then you have your payroll and benefits. So payroll and benefits means, it calculates salaries, taxes, your bonuses, and also it handles the employee insurance, whatever retirement benefits are available. So basically, like I've mentioned here, it builds a culture of safety, trust, and care. Next one, time tracking and leave management. Okay, like it tracks your attendance, if there is any shift, and if it's any overtime work has to be paid. So it will be like, it's not that you have to go to different modules to check that. In a single module you will get it. Okay, and also calculating the work hours for applying leave, everything this software will help. Learning and development offers training content and tracks employee learning progresses. Then analytics and workflows planning, that means it uses the HR data to make any kind of strategic decisions, like whether there is any vacancy now, who to promote, and what kind of people to hire, and from where to hire. So all these things will be taken care in this Workday HCM. Now why is it relevant in HR? Why in HR it matters? Because efficiency and automation, it reduces your redundant, your repetitive manual work data, and also it reduces the time of data entry in multiple systems. You just feed your data in one cloud platform and that's it. Okay, then data driven decisions, because everything is centralized now, HR can operate strategically rather than just administratively. Okay, global and scalable, because for multinational companies handling multiple countries, currencies, rules, Workday supports that. Better employee experience, because modern workforce expects intuitive tech, Workday delivers that. Future proofing HR, which means that with built-in innovations, so you can introduce AI, mobile analytics. Basically the system is designed to evolve for future use also. So if I have to give example, like we said, global and scalable. Let's say there is a global technology, okay, large firm that uses Workday, and how it will be helpful is that it will unify HR data in 25 countries. Let's say if the company has branches in 25 countries, so this will enable the HR team to generate dashboards showing talent gaps by region wise, country wise, and if there is any requirement to make a rapid hire, okay, so that can be done. Now for as a manufacturing enterprise, let's say they switch from this traditional old HR system to Workday, so it will reduce their usual payroll errors, and also timely payment of part-time laborers, or also it will track the time and attendance and how many hours they worked, if they have worked any overtime, so that has to be paid. it will all be integrated with benefits in one portal. You don't have to go for multiple portals. And if a service based company, they use Workday, its talent module, okay, can be used as a career path for employees, and also linking them to their skill development program. And also once you recognize the employees, they will try to retain in the same company once you acknowledge. Now, if you're an HR student and you're watching this video, okay, let me tell you, this Workday is very, very relevant for you, because it is an in-demand skill nowadays for modern roles. And I think for future also, for some time, this Workday will stay. So it is used by, because it is used by top MNCs. And if you are a student, MBA student, please learn this tool so that it increases your chance of landing global HR jobs, because it will differentiate you from others. And also recruiters often perform HR students who candidates who know about HRIS like Workday. And also bridges the theory with real, like MBA textbook, we like people teach about performance appraisal or talent planning. But if you are doing a course of Workday, it will show how it is done digitally in companies with dashboards, approvals, and how automation is done. It gives MBA students a good career opportunities, like you can work as a Workday HCM consultant, HR analyst, HRI specialist, compensation or talent management analyst. Okay, and these roles, they pay really well. So especially in IT, you have your BFSI companies, global firms. Okay. Next one that I want to discuss is the future of HR tech, the key trends and developments. Okay. We all know AI and predictive analytics in HR. It's not something that we can avoid. So HR systems will increasingly use AI to predict turnover, identify skill gaps, recommend internal mobility, and tailor learning paths. Okay, so Workday itself highlights that its platform gives actionable analytics to keep up with what's next. So skills based and competency based HR, moving from job titles to skills portfolio, HR tech will manage skills inventory, okay, map employees to the roles that are required, and they support reskilling. Okay, wherever there is a requirement of, let's say, a person has learned something like Oracle and somebody knows Workday also, and he is working, suppose, in some Oracle, or let's say Salesforce, something like that. So you can also map him for Workday related work. Okay, and or you can give a shift him to Workday rather than hiring new people. Okay, something like this can be used. Then if, like, let's say, when these kinds of AI technology and automation comes, HR people will definitely feel a threat of their role. So HR tech can flag the employees and also whatever skills they have, and also they can suggest that you complete this training so that you will be retained in the companies. Employee experience platforms and self-service. So this means workers expect mobile first, like we all use, it's like a hand to us. So consumer like experience from HR tools, like where HR tech will focus on user interface, self-service, anytime anywhere access. Okay, so that means using your phone apps, you can request leave, you can see the benefits, you can get feedback, you can update your career goals, so all in one place. Now integration of Workday with ecosystem and other platforms, like HR systems will integrate with other enterprise systems, finance, your operations, your customer relationship management. So HR decisions can be directly linked, connected to the business outcomes. For example, you can link HR data with project management to allocate people with free capacity to complete an urgent project. Okay. Next one, cloud continuous upgrades and flexibility. Cloud HR systems like Workday, it allows synchronous updates, okay, flexible configurations, and these are all scalable. So this allows the company to respond a kind of rapid change, like when pandemics happen, the remote working, it went up, its number raised. So at that time, you don't need to panic, because you are already following a platform which can be accessed anywhere. Okay, or if there is any regulatory changes also, it could be immediately updated. Now focus on well-being, inclusive workplaces, DEI. I'm not sure. I'll just check and mention in the comment box. So tech will include tech people, HR tech. It will include modules, your analytics on employee well-being, mental health. diversity metrics, pay equity. Okay, for example, HR tech dashboard showing if there is any gender pay gap by role. Okay, and tracking the wellness program participation of employees. Okay, so all these things could be done in the future of HR tech. Now, gigs and contingent workforce management. So this HR tech can also be expanded to manage not only full-time employees but also the contingent task forces. Okay, contingent workers, your freelancers, your contractors, their pay, their time, compliance, whatever work hours they have logged in or work, and also Workday offers modules for contingent kind of workforce. Okay, now why this is important for let's say HR manager is HR manager or any kind of HR professional must shift from administering HR tasks to interpret HR data and influence, and so that it can be used in business strategies. Okay, so the various skills required are you should have data literacy, change management, vendor technology evaluation, understanding of ethics in EA, so that you can avoid any kind of algorithmic bias. Now, as HR tech uses AI, some ethical issues are there, like there will be biasness and fairness should be avoided, right? So the algorithm our hiring algorithm should be so correct that it should not have any kind of discrimination, whether it is gender or any other kind of discrimination. Now, why I included this topic in my video is because this is when I used to study, or when I was young, like I completed MBA somewhere around 10, 12, 13 years, 14 years back. So at that time, my faculties, they used to give me whatever the latest trends are there in the market, so that we are capable of being employed, right? So that is why I wanted to use this topic in my video. I hope it was useful for the students, as well as if any HR manager they are watching, please try to include these cloud softwares in your work, so that it will be very easy for you, as you could analyze the data and then you can present it as business objectives. So these are the things that we have already discussed: the ethical issues, implementation focus, everything. If you like this video, please don't forget to like, share and subscribe to this channel, and also you can DM me for more topics, even in the comment section or in the Insta. Thank you for watching this video. Stay tuned for more videos like this.